If you want to edit video in Lightroom Mobile, this guide will show you the fastest way to do it from start to finish. Lightroom Mobile is not just for photos anymore. You can also make clean, professional-looking video edits right inside the app. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basic workflow: importing your video, trimming it, adjusting light, changing color, adding a style, and then exporting the final result. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Adobe Lightroom Mobile on your phone. On the home screen, tap Add Photos. From there, choose the video you want to edit. Once it imports, Lightroom will open it in a very similar way to a photo, which makes the editing process feel simple and familiar. This is one of the reasons Lightroom is great for creators who want quick edits without learning a complicated video editor. Now let's do the basic trim. Tap into the video and look for the trim sliders. These let you cut off the unwanted beginning or ending part of the clip. If your video starts too early, drag the left side in. If it ends too late, drag the right side in. This is perfect for removing extra pauses, shaky starts, or dead space before your actual content begins. Keep the clip tight so it feels clean and polished. Next, move to light adjustments. This is where you fix the exposure and balance of the video. Start with exposure if the clip is too dark or too bright. Then adjust contrast to make the image pop a little more. After that, fine-tune highlights and shadows. Lower the highlights if bright areas are blowing out, and raise the shadows if darker parts of the video need more detail. A good rule is to make small changes and watch how the clip looks in real time. Since Lightroom uses the same style of editing tools for both photos and video, this step will feel very natural. After that, go to Color. This is where you create the mood of the video. Use Temp and Tint to make the image feel warmer, cooler, greener, or more balanced. If you want the colors to look more lively, increase Vibrance first, because it enhances colors in a more natural way. If needed, use saturation carefully so the video does not look too extreme. For more advanced color control, open Mix, also known as HSL, and adjust specific colors one by one. This is useful if you want to make the sky bluer, skin tones cleaner, or backgrounds less distracting. Now let's add some style using effects. If you want the video to look sharper and more detailed, increase clarity or texture a little. If the scene looks hazy or flat, use Dehaze to bring back depth and contrast. And if you want to focus attention toward the center of the video, add a vignette. Just remember, subtle edits usually look better than heavy edits, especially if you want the video to feel natural and professional. Once you're happy with the edit, it's time to export. Tap Share, then choose Export. Lightroom will save the edited video to your device. After that, you can upload it anywhere you want: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever your content lives. And that's how to edit video in Lightroom Mobile in just a few simple steps. Import your video, trim it, fix the light, adjust the color, add effects, and export. It's a fast workflow that gives you clean results without needing a full video editing app. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy software guides. Thanks for watching.